So we're from Gladstone in Queensland, and I've lived there my whole life, and you were born in Brisbane.
Yeah, I've moved around a little bit, but yeah, in Gladstone for the last 7 years or so before we started travelling.
Not necessarily. When we first started dating just after high school, we just worked. I worked in a school, you also worked in a school, and we were just constantly saving up and then going away camping every single weekend. Like every chance we could, we'd go away camping. We fell in love with it. And on that Sunday night, driving home, having to come back to work on a Monday, we're just we just wish we could keep driving to the next spot. And so, yeah, we decided to just save up for the year. And
we've been on the road for 2.5 years now. We initially left from Queensland. We went inland up to the Northern Territory, then across the Kimberleys, the Gibb River Road, and then we made our way right down the WA coast. We had about a year, just a bit over a year in WA all up. And we came across the Nullarbor, up through the Red Centre, back over to Queensland. So we've kind of missed the whole southeast chunk of the country, which we're very excited to be getting to in the next year.
Yeah.
We drive a 1996 Troop carrier, 450,000 Ks on the clock now. She's going well, got us right round so far.
Yeah, very slow, but reliable.
Does what it needs to, yeah.
Sleeping?
Yeah, so we both sleep in the back of it. We converted it before the trip, so we have, I suppose, a couch, and that turns into a bed for sleeping. It's cozy, but we find it pretty comfortable.
Yeah, it's really good to get inside, out of the elements, especially if it's raining and stuff. We love that.
How tall are you, Lochie?
Yeah.
I'm 6'2", 6'3".
So you're pretty squishy. Definitely the northwest of WA. We spent probably most of our time on our trip there in Coral Bay, Exmouth area. We just loved it. We ended up getting a little tinny, a boat, and just went out on the reef every day snorkeling. I think that was our favourite. And we also love the Kimberleys,
Yes, I suppose a few of my favourites would be, the Ningaloo, Coral Bay area, the Red Centre, Uluru. I really enjoyed North Queensland, actually.
Yeah.
Very different, 3 very different places there. So North Queensland with the rainforest or the waterfalls.
Hot showers.
Family and friends. I'd say one big tip is to plan where you're going with the seasons, the weather.
That's a good one, yeah.
So if you are heading north, you want to do that over the cooler months, and vice versa.
Yeah.
So that really affects your experience in a place.
Yeah, I'd say the weather's weird. That's how we've travelled.
Yeah.
Like temperature control in the car. How does that work?
We have aircon when we drive, and then during the night just a fan. We also Kaylah made up some fly screens, so they magnet over the outside of the windows, so we can have that all opened up during the night. Which
we have had some hot nights.
Oh,
though.
The rear fit out.
I really love the way we've set up the back. I'm super proud of it, and it's just works. We have just done 2 and a bit years using it, and we've just been at home visiting family for the last few months, and there's nothing we would want to change about it.
So we're just giving it, I suppose, a bit of a freshen up. The timber was all pretty worn and weathered, but in terms of the actual layout itself, we couldn't really think of any way we wanted to change it. So that's been working really well. And
have your own space. I think we really make sure, especially when you're doing long drives, and stuck in a car, especially if it's raining and you're stuck inside together, make sure that we go out. Lochie plays the guitar, so he can he has his guitar that we bring with us, and you spend time doing that. I like to go for a read or walk on the beach. Definitely just make sure you have your own separate time.
Communication.